Well, again, not all differential equations are solvable. As a matter of fact, not that many are by normal methods. So another method for approximating a solution. But now this solution, instead of a graphical solution, would be a table of values type solution. But that's called Euler's method. And suppose we want to solve an initial value problem like y prime equals f of xy, dy dx equals f of xy, and we know initial point when x is x sub 0, then y is y sub 0. And suppose no direct method of solution will produce an explicit solution.
Seriously?
Yeah, well, a lot of them you just can't. So what else are you going to do? So suppose further we're willing to accept a table of values as a way of predicting the behavior of the model. In other words, we'd like to know, well, we know what y is when x is x sub 0, what's y when x equals 5, or something like that. In which case we might want to know something different. So, what do you think? Well, let's look into it. This lesson gives us a way to approximate the solution with a table of values, as opposed to a graph like the last lesson, using the tangent line approximation to the curve, something you probably did in Calculus 1. You should remember from calculus that the equation of a tangent line to a curve is y minus y sub 0 equals m, which is the slope of the tangent line, the dy dx, times x minus x sub 0.
Shut up!
Well, I gotta tell you about this. So, when solved for y, just add this to both sides, we get a linearization of the differential equation y prime equals f of xy. So what we get is a generic function and a tangent line like this. Here's the function in red, here's the tangent line in blue, and that's essentially what we're looking at. We're going to use this tangent line to approximate the function, but we're going to use the tangent line to approximate the function and use that same technique maybe to predict the value of the function out here. Because we're going to do tangent line, tangent line, tangent line, tangent line, tangent line, tangent line, and here we'll finally say, well, we think we have it at this point. I hope that makes sense to you.
Shut up!
Well, I guess it might not, but that's what our intent is. So please bear with me. Okay.